Okay, we're going to do a little warm up so you can follow along. Roll your pencil like 4 or 5 times. This is number 2 for me. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. All right, cool. Now we're going to roll the pencil between both of our hands like 4 times, 5 times. You'll get a feel for it and decide how much you want to warm up your own self. I think I did 4 times here. Now you're going to tap. Put your pencil down and tap on each side with your 2 fingers, your pointer finger and the middle finger. Tapping up and down. Warming up your hand. And again, you'll get a feel for how many times you want to do that. So now you can take your notebook, open up to a clean page, and we're going to draw some squiggles. Oh, but first let's stretch out the hand a little bit more. That's 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 times. Or however many times you feel you want to stretch your hand out. You're grabbing that pencil with your thumb and then you're stretching your hand. So now we make some squiggles on the top line. Some little loops is what is the actual thing I'm trying to say, not squiggles, but loops. And see if you can challenge yourself to not pick up your pencil the whole line. It's your little warm up. All right, and now you're going to make loops going the other way. So make your loops going down. You can also play with how hard you're pressing your pencil into the paper. I'm pressing kind of hard to make a dark line so you can see it, but maybe you want to do a few where you make a lighter line. All right, so I had to pick my pencil up because I had to move over, but that's okay. So now do a couple more stretches, see how your hand is feeling. And now we're going to do some straight lines, little curved straight lines up and down across the page. And as you get a feel for warming up, you can decide what kind of strokes you want to make. I'm making some little squiggles now that kind of go diagonal, but you can choose whatever you like to do to warm your hand up before you get started writing. You can do this before you write in your journal. You can do this before you get started with school. Some warm-ups. Now I'm doing some circles. A line of circles. You get the idea? And after that, you can make yourself a pattern. So do as you feel. I made a heart and a smiley face, and then I'm putting 3 stars on either side. And then on my next line, I'm going to make a similar pattern, but I'm switching the order of the smiley and the heart. All right. So you can warm up at least that much. If you want to do more, you can do more. After you've warmed up, it's time to get going with our work.